Oh, hello everyone. Okay, I'm currently I've been making this manifold for Weber Carby to go on my Volkswagen Beetle. And this is the top flange where the Carby bolts on. And yeah, I've already cut two flanges previously using a different, very tiring, took a long time method to cut them. I had a hole saw that was all broken and yeah, oh great. Anyway, what I'm getting to, I've just bought a new hole saw. It wasn't expensive, about $30. This one here, and on the packet it came in there, unprepared, and yeah, that's the brand. Kango. There we go. And yes, as I seen it, and like, yeah, it shows on the packet that you can cut through heavy steel, you can cut through concrete and everything with this. And Kango, I think, made jackhammers. And yeah, so they should be well and truly heavy duty. I know how to make heavy duty steel, but yeah, this is absolutely brilliant. I just cut this first hole. This is 10mm plate, and as you can see, like, this will have to be the underside, not the Carby side, because it doesn't center straight off. And I think part of that's because I don't actually have the right size drill bit that goes in the center. I probably should have bought the actual bit that goes with these hole saws. It has to be an imperial size, because yeah, that's a 6mm, and that's loose in there, but a 6.5 won't fit in there. So that's somewhere between 6 and 6.5. So it's some sort of imperial size. So that's because that's not a tight fit in that hole. That is probably the whole reason why it doesn't center to begin with. Although, yeah, every hole saw I've ever used never seems to center it. Yeah, before it cuts deep enough with the actual hole saw, it widens the hole anyway and becomes loose in it. But which can be a problem if you're drilling through sheet. But in this thing, by the time it's gone in there a mil or so, it centers and stays steady. So yeah, I measured that. The hole itself was supposed to be 32, and I've got about 32.5, but yeah, that'll be fine for this application. But yeah, just had to make a video on. Yeah, really impressed with how easy that did. What I was doing too, I normally use WD as a cutting lubricant, but I don't have any, I've run out. So I've been using this silicone spray, and that works pretty good. And the other thing I've been doing is got a bucket of water here, and yeah, cut for about a minute or two, and then yeah, stick it in the bucket of water, give it a spin, stop the actual hole saw from getting too hot. So yeah, I'm cooling that down with water and then spraying lubricant in the hole itself, and yeah, it works very, very well. Anyway, just had to add that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.